The Grateful Life blog is using the Disqus comment system to enable visitors to comment on blog posts. How'd they do that? Weebly now enables you to easily use either Facebook or Disqus for comments if you prefer either of those over our built-in comment system. You can switch between these different comment systems via your blog settings. Use the provided drop-down menu to select the system you want to use. If you choose Disqus, you simply need to enter your Disqus short name. This short name is something you create directly within Disqus itself at disqus.com. This is created when you add your blog to Disqus using their Add Disqus to Site option. They ask you to enter a unique Disqus URL, and this is your blog's short name. So you can enter anything you want there, and then click Finish Registration. This will bring you to a page called Choose Your Platform, but you don't have to worry with that since Weebly has taken care of all the work for you already from our side. All you have to do now is go back to your blog settings in Weebly and enter the short name you created at Disqus. Then save your changes and publish your site. Your blog will immediately start using Disqus for all comments. Visitors to your site can comment anonymously or via their own Disqus accounts, and you'll moderate those comments through your Disqus account. If you choose Facebook, you simply need to enter your Facebook URL, either for your fan page or your personal page, so that you can control and moderate the comments from your Facebook account. You can find this URL by viewing your own profile in Facebook and copying the part that follows Facebook's domain name. Then paste this into the provided field. Save your changes, publish your site, and your blog will immediately start using Facebook comments. One thing to keep in mind is that switching your blog over to a different comment system will mean any previous comments made through another system will no longer appear on any of your posts. But the good news is that if you try another system, decide you don't like it, you can switch back to the system you were using before, and all the comments that were previously made will still be there waiting for you. And that's how you do that.